Inclusive digital literacy, teaching AI and social media algorithms, is an engaging online course designed for educators looking to deepen their understanding of artificial intelligence and social media algorithms in a digital literacy context. Through interactive modules, participants will explore AI role beyond chatbots, uncover the mechanics behind social media data collection, and engage in practical projects that bring AI concepts to life. Course highlights include understanding how AI operates and why social media platforms collect and use data. Training AI models using Generation AI Teachable Machine. Engaging in a project-based learning experience. Explore how AI-driven engagement tracking, profiling, and data collection shape online experiences. Examining algorithmic bias, content bubbles, misinformation, and the impact of AI on digital culture.